Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another fun video. I am so excited to share today's video with you because there are so many fantastic things planned for us in this video. Today's video is a Thredup rescue box unboxing, but it is the Thredup handbag box. This box is so hard to get. They often do not have it up on the site, and if it goes up, it sells out really fast. So I feel so grateful to have got my hands on one of these boxes, and we're gonna open it together. I'm a little nervous because this box is $150 for 15 bags. So they're $10 each, which is a pretty high cost of goods. So I'm hoping there's some fun bags in here that I can sell and recoup some of my money. But also what's so exciting about today's video is it's a collab with my friend Kelly Schaffner. Her video will be linked in the description section down below, and we're doing something really fun we need your help with. I want to send her one of these bags, so I want you to help me in the comments by letting me know which bag do you think I should send to our friend Kelly Schaffner. I'll give you some more details about that in just a minute, but let's open this box. Oh my god, this is so heavy and big! Okay, let's see what's in this baby. Okay, so you can see how the box comes. It is 15 handbags just thrown in the box. This is called a DIY box. So the Thredup rescue boxes are DIY, meaning they may have some issues. They may have some blemishes, some scratches, a broken strap, something like that. There's some reason that Thredup rejected these and didn't take them for sale on the website, or they were on the website for a long time and they didn't sell, or who knows, maybe just Thredup has so much inventory right now. So I'm always cautiously optimistic with these boxes. I hope there's some great stuff, but I never know. A mystery box is always a risk. Okay, so we're gonna get into this box in just a minute because I need you to help me pick out a bag to send to Kelly Schaffner, and she's gonna do the same for me, which is just so fun. I love Kelly. She has the best energy, and she loves handbags as much as I do. So let me show you a couple of the sort of handbags that I like. So that might help you guys vote in the comments which bag Kelly should send to me. I mean, I have really kind of eclectic taste, you guys. I'm definitely a boho girl. I live in Northern California, so a bag like this is super fun for me. This is the bag that I take to the pool or when we go to Mexico for a resort. I mean, just like such a fantastic boho bag. So I love things like that, but I'm gonna do an awkward reaching down here. But I'm also kind of a practical girl, and for like thrifting and going out and doing errands, I love a crossbody bag. This is one of my favorite. It is a Coach bag. It's light brown, but I love these accents of color, and it has a long strap. So I also love that kind of stuff too. I like quality bags. I like genuine leather, but I'm not afraid to have fun and have like a boho bag. This one is genuine leather too. It's a black shoulder bag, but I just love the style. Okay, thank you for sticking with me through the intro. Let's get into these bags. And then, so think about it, I paid $10 a bag. So like, would you have picked these up at the thrift store or something for 10 bucks to resell? I've sold a ton of handbags. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years, Poshmark for a few years. I'm not like a specialty handbag seller, but I know a little bit. I don't know. This is Vince Camuto. So you can see there the Vince Camuto emblem. This is a pink bag. It's a little misshapen, but I think these are really popular right now. Like this bucket style bag I actually think is really popular and trending right now. I think it's genuine leather. I'm smelling it. It smells genuine leather. I love the tassels. I actually really like this bag. Now, in terms of it being DIY, you can see, you know, there's like just some little scuffs on the leather, and the bottom of people's handbag usually gets some wear because they're setting it down on a table or something. So you can see this needs to be cleaned up. I have several videos on the channel on how to clean your designer handbag or your handbag at home. I have videos where I clean the interior and I flip the bag. So I've gotten pretty good at cleaning handbags, so I'm not afraid of a little bit of cleaning work. Okay, 15 bags is a lot, so enough chatting, Quemby. Let's move along. Okay, this I don't know. So if it has a short strap like this, it's just a shoulder bag. Like you can carry it like this, or it just goes over your shoulder. Let's see, this is like a faux snake skin, almost like patent leather, the shiny leather. It looks like it might have had an attachable shoulder strap at some point on these hooks, but I don't see a shoulder strap. Sometimes it's inside the bag. Let's look. This has got a bunch of packaging in there. I love free packaging. Okay, this is Cynthia Rowley. Okay, Cynthia Rowley. Oh, and there is a strap in here. Gosh, that's fantastic. Cynthia Rowley, I'm not sure what comps are on these. I mean, it's a very popular brand. She also does bedding and all sorts of accessories. So nice clean inside of the bag. Before I sell these, I wash them all out. Like I will clean the inside if it needs it. I just set aside a day that's like my purse cleaning day. Alrighty. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh. This might just be like this might just be like a faux piece, but it is so cute. Okay, really. It is it has a long strap, so it can be worn cross-body. And then look, it's got peacock feathers on it. Peacock feathers, they're real, I believe. And then like a leather. Let's see who this is by. I love this. I mean, is there any, ooh, this will be so, oh my gosh, I'm getting.
And like the video.
That's my son Torvald, my very best marketer. I'm sometimes the worst at reminding my friends on the channel to subscribe. We have an awesome channel here all about reselling, and what makes it so awesome is all of you, all of my viewers. We do a live show together every Friday at 5 on the channel. I call it Reseller Community Night or Live at 5. We just have such a great time. So if you want to meet other resellers or other people that are interested in unboxings and Thredup, come join us. And you get a notification about that live at 5 and other videos that I do if you subscribe and hit the little bell. This will be fun to research. I don't know what that's about, but I'm in love with it. Ooh, this feels awesome. Ooh, it's that like super buttery soft leather. David Jones. Okay. My son is now going into the kitchen and making himself a snack during my video and trying to be quiet doing it. Okay, do you hear the cookie? Mama better take a minute and go help her son get a snack, and I'll be back. Okay, reseller mom life with my son being home due to distance learning and the pandemic and all that. It's like, listen. Okay, so this is an interesting bag. I can't find a tag that says if it's genuine leather. It feels really soft and nice, but there are tags inside the bag. So David Jones Paris, a little tag inside here. It's not really much info on there. So this looks kind of new, but there is like, some like, the lining's really pretty, but it needs to be cleaned. So I have a video on how to do that where I flip the bag, wash the inside. I like this one. I don't know how you're gonna vote which bag to send to Kelly because I'm having a hard time voting. I think I'll go back and watch her handbag boxes again and see what sort of stuff she likes. Okay, so sometimes you get like huge, big, beautiful handbags like that, and then sometimes you get like a little something like this. This is Kenneth Cole, and this is sweet and very practical. Maybe she'd like this one. It's got like it's got silver hardware, and it feels like quality hardware. It's got a bunch of different zippered pockets here on the top. Looks very nice and clean. And this was what I think of as like, this bag is so practical. Like, part of me would want to keep it because it's so practical. It has the little strap for a wrist strap, so that's so great, like if you just want to put it on. Or it's got a cross-body strap. So this is actually a really versatile, useful, practical, really nice bag. Let's see what this baby is. This is, ooh, Tignan. It's a popular brand. I see it everywhere. I mean, I don't know how to say it, obviously, but it's a bag that I see everywhere. And you guys, doesn't this remind you of the bag that I showed you of my own personal bag from Coach? It's like that taupe brown with a hot pink accent. I really like this. Magnetic button closure. The inside is so clean, and I like the contrast. Like, look at the gold contrasting printed fabric on the inside, and then it has a black strap. I really love this bag, actually. Again, super practical. I don't know what's going on with the strap, like why it has so much. I guess there's different strap options. This is super clean, super nice. That one is like ready to list, which I love, because when I get these Thredup DIY boxes, they need work. Like, there's going to be hours I have to set aside where I say, I'm cleaning handbags, or when I get the Thredup shoebox, check out those videos. They're really good. I've got some amazing Thredup shoe boxes. And just to follow back with you, those boxes are paid for because I sold 2 or 3 pairs of shoes from the box. The box is paid for. This is a $150 box. I mean, so it's gonna take 4 or 5 or more bags just to pay for the box, unless I get something like amazing. Oh, like this. This is awesome. Wow. Tory Burch. Now, in both my Thredup shoe boxes, I got Tory Burch flats, the mini flat. Both of them sold within 24 hours. One for $69.99, the other, I can't remember exactly, but around 50 bucks. I mean, this is a Tory Burch. It's a very large tote, and this is like felt. If you were able to feel it, oh, this is so nice. Look at the lining. I don't know what these go for, but look at the beautiful, it's got like a chain link belt or something lining. Isn't that so cute? This is a huge bag too. It's wool, that's what it is. I'm saying felt. It's got the charms and everything. So this, let's look at the condition. This is such a smart bag because look at, there's little side things where you could put like your water bottle. So a tote. Now it's wool and then like a patent leather. Now it needs a little bit, like the wool looks like there's almost like some fleckles and maybe a little hair, dog hair or something stuck to it. And then you see a little bit of like, I'm gonna research how to clean these scuffs off patent leather. I know a lot about suede and leather, but this is more almost like a rubber. So see how there's like some little markings there? Not a huge deal. I really love this bag. Like, it's not quite my style, but I think this is a really quality, nice bag. Hopefully I'll have a chance to look up some comps for you guys and I'll pop them up somewhere. Now I'm checking to see if I have lipstick on my teeth. Ooh, I see a Coach bag. I'm going for it. I love Coach bags, and I love selling Coach bags. The Coach bags from that lot I bought that I was telling you about have sold anywhere from like $30 to I think $90. This is so cute. I like this one. This one almost looks a little boho to me. Oh my gosh. This is super nice. So this is called the Signature Jacquard when it's all C's for Coach, but I have not seen this. This is a unique bag because all this distressed leather makes a flower. I've not seen one quite like this, and the hardware is very heavy and beautiful. It's a little distressed. There is some wear, but I think you can get away with that with these boho-y kind of looking brown leather bags. Here's the Coach. So this is genuine. There's the Coach. I take pictures of all of this. And I can look up this number here and maybe get a style name. This might be a little bit of an older bag, but this is a real cute shoulder bag. I really like that. Yeah, that one's good. Ooh, I see another leather. How many have I done? It's supposed to be 15, and there's still a number left in here, but okay, well, this is Fossil. Fossil bags sell pretty well. Again, this is like a distressed leather bag, and it's got some wear, but I think people actually kind of like that with the brown leather. And I will put in my listings on eBay and Poshmark, distressed. I note the condition on absolutely everything, friends. Like, I take really detailed pictures. I point out with my finger like any kind of flaw, because I would rather have someone get the bag and be pleasantly surprised that it's better than they thought than be disappointed and be like, oh, it wasn't as good as I thought. So this is a nice bag. Again, I'll try and look up some comps. Shoulder bag. It definitely needs a little cleaning in the lining, but nice solid hardware. and really nice. Now, we have a handful of bags left, so stay with me. But I'm like, okay, $150. I've got the Coach bag. Maybe I can get around 40 or so for that. The Fossil, maybe 40 or so. The Tory Burch. Maybe those 3 bags would pay for the box, but I still might need a few more sales in there to pay for the box before I start profiting. This feels awesome, whatever it is. This is, whoa, what is this exactly? Okay. So let's start trying to figure, ooh, this is good. Good. Okay. So the reason I thought this was good because the leather feels so soft and and it's heavy. Good hardware on a bag is sometimes heavy. This is a really unique bag. So you can see this brand. This is what I'm seeing here. And I think it's pronounced Leapskind, but I probably am messing it up. You can see it etched into the leather there. This is a really good brand, Now, this has got double straps, super heavy hardware, but then what's this strap? I guess it's the shoulder strap. It's just that it's so thick and heavy. So, like, this is not a super feminine bag. This is like if I had a motorcycle or something. And, I mean, it's just like, it's really nice. The quality of it is gorgeous. Again, I do not think this is a Kelly Schaffner bag, but maybe I'm wrong. Really nice. So I will try and find comps and look it up. I also, there we go. I'll try and pop up some comps for you about this bag. I also want to let you know, I put all the measurements in the bag too. So I will measure the width across, the height, and then I'll do the strap drop, which is from the top of the bag here to the where the strap meets. This right here is the strap drop. I put that in there. That's really good. That's really good. So I feel confident at this point between the handful of those bags, I can at least make my money back. 2 more to go. Did it really go that quick? Which one? Leave us in the comments. Should I send to Kelly? I hope she got a good box. I really do. Okay. This is new with tags. Oh, this is cute. This is so exactly what the brand is known for. This is a Betsey Johnson bag. And Betsey Johnson bags, I see when I go out to like Marshall's and Ross. So, but it has a $98 price tag on it, new with tag, and it's like black and white stripe with, of course, she always has like a pop of color, really like nice, heavier hardware. And then look at the back, a big, huge bow. So that's nice to get something new with tag. I do not know what the value on resale is going to be on this. I'm going to guess like between 20 and 40 or something like that, maybe on the high end, but I don't know. I haven't sold one of these in a long time. Thank you, Thredup, for a new with tag bag in my box. I always do appreciate that. Kind of a cute bag. Okay, last but not least, a big, huge leather bag. Why does it go so quick? Let's see. Oh, this is good. This is Cole Haan. This is good. Cole Haan makes beautiful handbags, you guys. This one's got some wear, so let's go over this baby. The thing that's great about this is the size. I mean, this is a substantial bag, and it's like woven leather, but it has a bunch of wear. This needs a serious cleanup. Like, I don't know if you can see here, there's like some stuff on it. Like, someone probably loved and used this bag, and it needs a cleanup, but I'm not afraid of that. Huge bag. The inside looks pretty good. Here's the Cole Haan name. Right, Cole Haan, yeah, I just want to make sure. Here's the Cole Haan name brand. So there we go. Okay, I definitely have some work ahead of me with the cleanup, but some pretty great brands. I think there's about 5 bags in here that will pay for the box, and then the other 10 bags will be profit. So I love that. Now your job is to leave a comment on my video. Which bag do you think Kelly Schaffner would love to have in her life? I'm so excited to send it to her. And then go over to Kelly's channel. It's linked in the description section below. Watch her video and let her know what you think of her box and which bag she should send me. Thanks for watching, guys. I love having you here. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.